Hey everybody, welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith channel. I had a request to do the ornaments like I showed you with the Grinch and the Harley. So I'm getting ready to make some, so I thought I would show you how I do it, okay? I started one. This one's blue. Look how pretty that blue is. I don't know if you can see how pretty that is. But this is what we're using, polyacrylic. There are other stuff. People use glue and use this one right here. This one always works. Okay? It's not cheap either. It's about $9 for this small can.
But it goes a long way,
It goes a long way. Very long. So this is what I'm using. This is from the hobby store. These are the rectangle ones or whatever, square ones. You can do this with the round bobs that they have at Dollar Tree. Sometimes they have two of them for the $1.25. You can get the smaller ones. I'm using stickers that I have made from my Cricut, but you can draw on them, you can paint on them, and then just put you a little bit of, you can even use that polyacrylic on the outside after you paint on them, and then that should keep it on there. So let's get started. I'll show you what we do. I'm going to use, this here says Nicole and it has an N. I'm going to put that one on that one. And I've got a Christmas tree here. So I'm going to make green on this one. Okay? And this is white. So I have some polyacrylic here in this little Dixie cup. And you'll figure out your own way to do it. You can use them squirt bottles or whatever. But this right here, you just pour it in. And then you're going to make sure that every bit of that is coated. So if you roll it rather than just shake it, then you'll know that every bit of it is coated. And these, I found out these square ones are a little harder than the round ones because it gets stuck up in here when you're trying to drain it back out. But look, you're just draining it right back out. So you can reuse this. You're not wasting it. So then you just leave that set and drain out. And I have egg carton here. That's what I use, as you can see, to drain it out. You can drain it out as much as you want on here, and then you can put it in there. Or you can have a lot of these little cups, and you can have them setting up. And you can always reuse all the stuff, okay? After you do this, you got to let them drain for a good 5 minutes, just so it's not dry inside. See how much is coming back out? You just need a light coat on it. Let me get another little cup. I'll be right back. That way I can do the other one. All right, I got another little cup. We're going to do another one here. So you can have your little setup going. Just roll it around. Might not put enough in that one. Taking a while, but it'll be there. So you just got to make sure it's all covered. And you can see because it's milky. Like I said, I've seen people use glue, but I've never tried the glue. I've only used this, and I know this works. So that's what I will be using. And you use the fine glitter. I was not taught that at first, so it's got to be the fine. If you use the big glitter, a lot of times it doesn't cover everywhere and you can see through it. So you have gaps. The fine glitter, as you can see, gets every part of it. Trial and error, you learn on your own there. Trying to get, that's why I said these square ones are a little tricky with that right there on the end. With the round ones, they just all comes out. First time I've done the square ones. I like the shape of them. All right, so now I'm going to put in green glitter. And I use a funnel. You just pour it in, and like this, you're going to pour it back into your glitter. So you're not wasting anything. Just roll it around. Make sure you get it all covered.
Well, how cool is that?
See? I waste it when I get it all over the table because, you know, that's how I do. Look, the green is all covered. Right there. Because, you know, it's not Christmas unless you have glitter all over the place. Alright, let's see if we can sweep some of this in here without getting it all over me. We'll be finding glitter forever. I'll have it all over my face. I'll be shiny here in a little bit. Alright, there we go. My table's going to be polyacrylic again. Because I spilled it everywhere. I don't get too worked up on this spilling stuff, guys. Doesn't pay. Everything will be all right. Except for that. Oh, anybody else craft and do the things I do? I'm trying to show you. It's not working out very easy. Alright, so let's go to the blue one that I know it's ready to do. Okay. So, I've got some alcohol here. Because you got to wipe the outside with alcohol. Make sure there's no fingerprints or anything on it. And then I got my stencil. My sticker here. And I use clear contact paper for my transfer tape. You can use the brand name from the Cricut. You can use their brand if you want. It's expensive. So go get you a $4 roll of contact paper and it will last a long time. You just reuse the pieces too. Rub it on there. And peel it from the back. And I can see I'm getting green glitter all over me. Bill will be able to find me in the dark.
You'll be glowing.
All right, we got it on here. So this is what your transfer paper is. You want it on this piece of paper. And then you just center it on here. Sometimes I have a little trouble trying to get it centered. And then press it on. And there we go. Look how pretty that is. I'll still turn it upside down, let it dry a little bit because I just made it. So I want it to get more dry before I put the end on it. Okay. One more little tip. When you put this end on it, okay, pull this through here until it catches like that. Drop it on and then push it down in it. Otherwise, it will scratch the side of your ornament and you'll have that on there. You can't, well, I mean, you have to redo to fix it. You have to put some more glitter in there. Learn the hard way. All right. Anybody like Harry Potter? That's what I got here. And then Jack Skellington. Nightmare Before Christmas. Okay, so let's see what color we're going to do that one. Let's make it white. It's like an iridescent. It has all kinds of, like a pearl glitter. Let's see if I can get this everywhere. You know I can. All right, look at that one. That one's nice. I've learned now. Don't pick that up until it's all done. All right. I just use old egg cartons to hold them. That's kind of, don't have, they set up nice in there. All right, let's see if we can get this Christmas tree on here. Fingerprints off of it. Glitter. See, I'm still using that piece of transfer tape. The same one. And you turn it over and take it off the back. And then you just center it on here. And there's that one. Okay. We'll do one more. I'll show you the green. See, we can use all that polyacrylic again. Let's see what color. Oh, it's this one. I made these to fit the round ones, but I'm using these square ones, so looks like it fits too. Fits on there also. Still using that same piece of transfer tape. I got a hole in it from rubbing, so I'll probably throw that one away. Okay. And there's that one. All right, guys. If you have any questions, leave them. I am normally like this. I'm bumbling. I get more nervous on camera than I am when with not. So, here's the 3 that we just did.
Those look great.
And if you have any questions, leave it below and let me know. Or go to our FB page, Biker Baker and Mr. Smith, and instant message if you have a question, or you can leave it on this video. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Peace out, guys.